Having taken control of much of northeast Nigeria, Boko Haram has now turned its eyes to its neighbours, Niger, Chad and Cameroon. West African leaders want to create a fighting force that can take on the Islamist militants, but first they need African Union approval.
And there's already a military option. Nigeria is fighting Boko Haram, Cameroon is fighting Boko Haram. But I think we're increasingly getting to the point where probably a regional or multinational force is coming into consideration. But like I said, it's what we want to discuss at the AU.
Chad has already sent troops to fight Boko Haram incursions in Cameroon, which claims it killed 143 Boko Haram militants on its borders on Monday. These troops could now be deployed to Nigeria. The UN says coordination is vital.
Today, what's needed is for the countries of the G5, Nigeria, Cameroon, Niger, Chad and Benin, to find a way to deepen a genuine coordination of their military efforts against Boko Haram.
An African Union force could take months to be put in place. It should then seek a UN mandate, as has happened previously in Darfur in Sudan. If put in place, this multinational force would be the strongest response to Boko Haram yet.